If you aim to embark on marathon training or are just trying to stay fit, the best treadmills for home let you run or walk right in the comfort of your home. If you're looking for a treadmill, there are certain features to consider, including size and speed. Don't know how to go about your search for a treadmill? Below, we have rounded up some of the best treadmills available on the market. If you feel like any of the below listed treadmills meet your needs, you can click the links in the description to get more details about them. For more videos concerning household items, visit the Consumer Sherpa YouTube channel. NORDICTRACK Treadmill. This NORDICTRACK treadmill is an excellent buy if there's space in your home. This treadmill's incline ranges from -3 to 15%, making it capable of handling all your workout requirements. It also runs at a high speed of 22 kilometers per hour, which should be about a mile pace of 4 minutes, fast enough for most people. This treadmill is also foldable, so you can keep it away from kids when it's not in use. This treadmill also has a fantastic feature that lets you join classes and stay fit with iFit, but only if you are a member. Amazingly, this treadmill is very suitable for taller people, making them run comfortably without feeling like they would fall off. The screen can also be adjusted to fit different heights. Overall, this NORDICTRACK treadmill is worth your money if you prefer to train with online classes and if there's space for it at home. Lifespan Fitness Folding Treadmill. The Lifespan treadmills have several features that make them stand out from the others. Lifespan treadmills are easily foldable when not in use, and at the same time very stable and have high weight capacities. Also, Lifespan treadmills have more interesting safety features than other treadmills. Lifespan treadmills also show your metabolic rate and body fat percentage through statistics and calculations. The Lifespan Fitness Treadmill preset system is quite outstanding. The Lifespan TR4000i and other treadmills in this series can help you lose weight, train for sports, and live a healthier lifestyle. Regular runners will also benefit from its simplicity. As soon as the Lifespan treadmill is set up, you can start running with a minimum of fuss, and your speed settings will keep adjusting as you keep running. ECHELON Stride Treadmill. The ECHELON treadmill isn't too pricey, but it's worth the investment in a balanced set of unique features offered at a medium price. The ECHELON treadmill is a storage-efficient machine as it's fully foldable and can be placed under a bed to create space when you're not using it. This treadmill runs at a high speed of 12 miles per hour and with a 10% high incline. Even though this treadmill has 1.75 horsepower, it runs smoothly without any judder while running. Compared to other categories, this is an excellent treadmill regarding the build and features. The ECHELON Stride has fewer downsides to note compared to other pricey treadmills. For example, it has no HD screen attached to it. However, you can pair up your tablet with an active ECHELON app, providing you with access to online training classes at a monthly price. So if you're new to running or looking for a low-cost option, consider the ECHELON treadmill. BOTORRO R5 Folding Treadmill. Next on this list is the BOTORRO R5 treadmill. This treadmill is foldable and has a collapsible console that can be faced against the deck. This treadmill is the best buy for people who don't have enough space at home and prefer a quiet, compatible, and functional treadmill. The BOTORRO R5 folding treadmill is also ideal for students, people living in shared rooms, or individuals living in smaller apartments. This is also a great option for people who prefer a treadmill to walk on. This treadmill has a 49.2 by 18.5 inch belt, which is also of high texture for smooth foot strikes. This treadmill has a console shelf with buttons to display the speed you are running at and how many steps you have taken. When you are done using it, you can quickly fold the console shelf and the treadmill collapses flat. This treadmill features a 2.5 horsepower motor, so it's ideal for walking and jogging, but it might not be able to handle running. So if you want a small walking-friendly treadmill, you might want to think about the BOTORRO R5. Soul Fitness F80 Folding Treadmill. Finally, we have the Soul Fitness F80. Even though this treadmill features a smaller motor than the NORDICTRACK and Lifespan and doesn't come with the HD touchscreen that different models have, it is still ideal for training. This treadmill has a frame durable enough to support up to 375 pounds, and it is very much capable of taking the hits you give it. Also, it has a mild bounce under your foot, but not too much to cause instability. A unique and fantastic feature of this treadmill is the ability to regulate the speed with the rail-mounted buttons, letting you get a grip on the rail and press the button with your thumb. This is far better than tapping the console while you're running. If you want to join an online training class, the iPad holder lets you place your device on it and train. Or you can place this treadmill right in front of your TV and train by playing videos. The treadmills listed here are all great options, but it is up to you to choose one based on your budget and requirements. With the 5 best treadmills for home presented here, you might have come across one that offers all the features you need, all at an affordable price. Getting a treadmill is worth the investment, especially for people who want to keep fit in the long run. It allows you to train at any time you like, right at home.